Hello friends, previously we have discussed resistive, inductive. Now we will discuss the capacitive, pure capacitive circuit. For that, what is the current, voltage and power equations as well as waveforms. Okay. So for example, this is the pure capacitive circuit. The current is I of t. The current will be what here? I of t. Then let me name here V of t is equal to Vm into sine omega t. Then what is the current flowing through the capacitor? That capacitor is current flowing through is I of t is equal to C times dV by dt. C times dV by dt. Okay. C times dV by dt. Then C times dV by dt means what is V? V is nothing but, let us take this as equation number 1. This will be what equation number 2. Now substitute that V of t in equation 2. Then I of t is equal to C into d by dt of V of t will be Vm into sine of omega t. Okay. If you simplify this, what we get? If you simplify this, what we get here? I of t is equal to Vm will be a constant, and we are differentiating with respect to t, means we get omega here. C into Vm into omega into differentiation of cos, sine will be cos omega t. Can I write like this? Vm by 1 by omega into C into cos omega t. Okay. Then what we get here? Vm by omega into C will be Vm by 1 by omega C is nothing but XC, capacitive reactance, into cos omega t. This will be I of t. Okay. Then we can even write this as Im into cos omega t. Earlier we have minus cos here. For inductive, pure inductive, we have minus cos here, but in place of pure capacitor we have plus cos omega t. Then what we get here? We can even replace this by sine of omega t plus 90 degree. Okay. So this is nothing but I of t. Let us take this as equation number 3. Now what is the power? Okay, before going to the power, let me have a phasor diagram here. If you take voltage as a reference here, if you take voltage as a reference, here, what is the current here? Current is starting from plus 90. If you take the phase relation between voltage and current, current will be what? 90 degree leading to voltage phasor because of this 90 degree. Okay, this is the phasor diagram for pure capacitor. Okay. In the same way, can you also draw the phasor diagram for pure inductor? If you take the voltage phasor as a reference, in my every circuit I will take voltage as a reference. Okay. If you take voltage as a reference here, what is the current here? We have minus 90 degree lagging. Current is lagging by exactly 90 degree. So this is nothing but phasor diagram for pure inductor. Okay. Now coming back to the question, how to find the power? Power P of t is nothing but V of t into I of t. Okay, what is V of t? V of t is nothing but power P of t is equal to V of t is nothing but Vm into sine omega t. What is I of t? Im into sine of omega t plus 90 degree. Plus 90 degree. Okay. Then what we get here? Vm into Im into sine omega t into sine of omega t plus 90. If you observe this, it is in the form of sine c into sine d. If you multiply and divide by 2, it becomes 2 sine c into sine d. You know the formula, trigonometry formulas. You can simplify that. After that, if you want to find the value of average power, what you will be finding here? 1 divided by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi P of t dt. If you draw the waveform here, how it will be? Same, just like what we have discussed previously. Current is now plus 90 degree. No, current is now plus 90 means it will be, how it will be? Plus 90 means, is it positive? So I leave this as a work activity to you. Okay, you draw the waveform, you'll easily get. Okay.